Welcome, today I've heard of me TOSCIDO M863 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So let's first launch the settings application, and after that tap here on the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel. Now just to mute your device ringtone, you should swipe to the left side, that's dot, with your finger. Also we have the second way how you can do that, just by use the volume buttons here on the right side of our device. Now just press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and after that click here on the settings icon. You will see here the same ringtone volume panel, and now just to mute your device ringtone, by the same way swipe this dot to the left side with your finger, and then just to save the changes click here to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.